Stockholm, the capital of Sweden, is a vibrant and picturesque place offering a combination of rich history, stunning architecture, and natural beauty. Situated on 14 islands connected by bridges, Stockholm is often referred to as the Venice of the North. The drone video allows viewers to appreciate the city's unique blend of modernity and tradition from above. The city's landscape is characterized by charming waterfronts, cobbled streets, and well-preserved medieval buildings. Visitors can explore Gamla Stan, Old Town, where narrow alleys are lined with colorful buildings with stores, restaurants, and cafes. The Royal Palace stands proudly in this neighborhood and is open for tours. Stockholm's tourism industry is well developed and offers a variety of accommodation options, from luxury hotels to inexpensive hostels. The city also has an excellent transportation system that allows visitors to easily move around and explore different areas. For those interested in outdoor activities, Stockholm has plenty of green spaces and parks. The island of Djurgården has beautiful hiking trails through dense forests and is home to popular attractions such as the open-air museum Skansen and the amusement park GR Nowland. Travelers often praise Stockholm for its cleanliness, safety, efficient public transportation system and friendly locals. The city's diverse culinary scene offers a wide range of international cuisine. In conclusion, Stockholm offers tourists an exciting experience with its stunning scenery, cultural attractions, and warm hospitality. Whether you are interested in history or simply want to immerse yourself in the beauty of nature, there is something for everyone in this Scandinavian gem.